Welcome to Victorian Gardens Cattery. It seems dark in here, but it's extremely bright. So I'm not sure why these black kittens aren't showing up. But this is Iris and Hydrangea's nursery of 4 Persian babies. There's one of them right there. She's kind of scared of the bird right at this point, this little girl, bicolor, but she's getting better. This is Iris's chocolate right there. He's a big boy, huge. We have her little girl, Hydrangea's little black bicolor. She is a bicolor, but she is only showing it in one little spot. Right on her throat. This is Iris's rare red chocolate. His name's Bart, for Bartholomew. In the Bible, Jesus healed a blind man. Named Bartimaeus. Excuse me. And he's named after Bartimaeus. There's a blind man that was healed by Jesus. And Bart was born with one eye. So we thought it was appropriate to name him Bart. This little boy, Mommy and Daddy hasn't named him yet. I thought chocolate teddy bear would be great for him. He's still unnamed, but I'm starting to call him Teddy. And then these black babies, bicolors of Hydrangea and Toy, are going through our waitlist picks this weekend. So this little black girl right here, she's so sweet and beautiful. She's very cobby, tiny, tiny ears. Sweet. Now her sister, way over there, loves to play on her own. She's not a lap kitten, because I put her in my lap and she wants down. She plays with the others, and let me tell you, these babies of Iris's play really hard, but they're very gentle with the smaller kittens, so that's good. Oops. This little baby got the bird in her mouth not too long ago, a couple days ago, and would not let it go and was growling like it was a bird. She had a good hold on it. She plays with the 2 rough boys, and they can be rough. Iris loves the bird. Iris is a chocolate tortoiseshell, a rare chocolate tortoiseshell, Persian. We just shaved her recently. They're on great food. They're on EVO, chicken and turkey, cat and kitten, all of them. Actually, they haven't been, the adults are on the dry, and the kittens are on the dry, but not dry. I make it into wet food. I grind it up in my food processor and add water, and that's what they get weaned on, and they love it. And then, Bart, are you going to play? Yeah, he goes right after it. He jumps really high. He attacks it. Come on, let it go so everybody else can play. He really attacks. He's a happy boy. I haven't seen these 2 actually grab it and start growling. Well, yes, excuse me, the chocolate did. Teddy. He did grab it and start growling at it the other day, but I think he picked it up from those 2 over there who are playing together right now. Hydrangea makes very nice babies, very cobby, show quality babies. Except the bicolor is the doll face, so she can't be shown. But very cobby babies, very beautiful babies with beautiful coats. There's Hydrangea. Say hi, Hydrangea. She loves this thing. She likes to kind of run and go hide and then pounce. Or Iris just goes for it. And then we have at the door, screen door, looking in, Periwinkle's on the right. You probably can't see them. Isaiah's in the middle, and Marcus is on the left. And they wish that they were playing with the bird too. They tend to stay wherever I'm at, and they will, like when I'm sleeping at night. I have 2 pregnant girls, and they're in the room with me, and so Marcus and Periwinkle and Isaiah sleep right outside the screen door where they can see me. They're very sweet babies. Love to be with you. There's not a lot of room there to play, Marcus. Bart. This boy loves to run, and play. You can feel how heavy he is. You can hear how heavy he is when he comes down. He's very solid. So is he. He's a little bit more, has longer legs. This one's shorter. Come on, give it back. They can hear it. You playing with my leg? Uh-oh, we got it messed up. Bart, don't take it away from her. Our bird is messed up. Trying to give everybody their time. Little girl's over there getting her water. She's really cute. Got a cute personality. Just Miss Priss. Everything's very delicate with her when she plays. She just pats at things, which reminds me exactly of her grandmother who did that. She'll just kind of like pat at things. I don't know if you can see her. It's hard to get blacks in videos. She's not big on the bird yet. She's been scared of it the last few days. We just brought it out a couple of days ago. But they've been very good. No messes since I've taken down. They're all potty box trained. Yay, litter box trained. This little black baby's a beauty. So hard to see her. Bart, how's she ever going to play? I think they've been playing and they're tired now. They run from one end of the room to the other. So we're going to quit the video now. Just wanted to give a quick update on the babies. Iris's babies were 9 weeks old yesterday. They get their shot today. We had to reorder them because they sent us the wrong ones. And these babies on Monday, which was 3 days ago, turned Hydrangea's babies turned 6 weeks old. And we do have a photo gallery or photo shoots of them on our website at VICTORIANGardensCattery.com. Just look in the nurseries for Iris and the nurseries for Hydrangea. Hydrangea's babies had their photo shoot with the Victorian chamber pot on 3 days ago. And these babies also had some fun photo shoots of bears and wagons on the same day, 3 days ago. So, and if you would like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we post as our babies get, throughout their growing season, we post videos. And if you click the bell that's next to the subscribe button, you will be notified immediately when we have our next video. It'll go on your smartphone or on an email, so you'll be able to keep up immediately when we do post. So we'll say goodbye from now from Victorian Gardens Cattery and Iris and Petunia's Nursery of 4 Persians. Bye for now.